Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to check KuCoin wallet address. Open the KuCoin app or website, sign in, and go to Wallet, then Deposit to view addresses. Pick the correct asset and network, then use the copy button rather than typing the address. Always verify the first and last 6 characters on a second device or with a trusted contact to prevent mistakes and lost funds. Open KuCoin on your phone and navigate to Wallet, then Deposit to display a wallet address for the chosen coin and network. Copy the address using the app button and immediately compare the first and last 6 characters to any stored address you have. If available, enable 2FA and address whitelisting to add a layer of protection before initiating any transfer from another platform or wallet. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more crypto safety tips. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice for your car so every transfer ride smells great and you won't worry about a stinky drive after checking addresses. I link the product and other deals in the description so you can find them easily. Now let's get back to the video. Use a blockchain explorer for the relevant network to confirm the pasted address and recent transactions for added assurance. Match the Explorer output against the KuCoin address display to ensure they are identical and that the token contract aligns with ERC20, BEP20, or other networks. When in doubt, send a small test amount first to confirm receipt before transferring larger sums.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.